In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate your project, open the designer, add a code block, and paste SVG animation code so it displays correctly on your site. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and open the official Webflow website. This is the fastest way to reach your account if you don't have it bookmarked. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where your projects live. If you're prompted to sign in, just do that as you normally would. From your dashboard, locate the project you want to work on and click View Site. This opens the site so you can see the current look and feel before adding anything new. It's helpful to have this open so you can reference how your pages are structured and where your animation should appear. Next, move into the Webflow Designer for that same project. In the Designer interface, open the Add Elements panel. You'll find this as a plus icon on the left side of the screen. This panel is where you can drag components onto your page, from basic text and images to more advanced elements. With the Add panel open, use the search field and type Code Block. This is the quickest way to filter down the list. In Webflow, this element is often called an embed or code block, and it's designed specifically for pasting custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Searching saves time and helps you avoid scrolling through the entire library. Now click the code block element to place it exactly where you want the SVG animation to appear on your page. A code editor window will open. Paste the code you're using to add your SVG animations to Webflow. Make sure your code is clean and complete. If it references external files or libraries, ensure those URLs are correct and trusted. If you're including styles, consider scoping them to avoid affecting other elements on the page. And if your SVG has inline animations, keep them inside the SVG tag so they stay self-contained. When you're done pasting the code, click Save and Close. This confirms your changes and inserts the embedded content into the canvas. Depending on how your animation is set up, you may see it play right away in the designer, or you might see a placeholder if scripts run only on the published site. Either way, your embed is now part of the page and ready for your usual design adjustments. That's it. Simple, precise, and ready to enhance your Webflow project with smooth SVG animations.